to my channel. I hope you guys are really doing well and you are safe at your home. So today I am back with a new video that is all about how you can do a perfect base and you will look good and the makeup will last long the whole day. Then please watch this video till end. There are total 9 steps. I'll do 9 of them properly and slowly that you can understand that what to do and what to not. So let's clean your face. That is the first step. You can use wet wipes. I have this London Refreshing wet wipes. You can just clean your face with this wipes, or the best option is to wash your face. That is the best option. So just clean your face, clean it completely, even your eyes, your neck, everything. So after cleaning your face, the second step is to moisturize. This is the most important step in doing your makeup. Moisturize your skin. I have this moisturizer for BoroPlus. It is really good. You can use any moisturizer. I can suggest you the brands like Biotique, Mama's Earth if you want to go for natural. If you want to go for coffee-like things, so you can go for M caffeine also. It is also good. I have taken some. And just those who have oily skin, moisturize your face only once, and those who have dry skin, moisturize your face at least twice in a day. So completely moisturize your face, your neck, and remaining. I'll just do it. So this is the second step. Second step is over. Now we go to the third step, that is to prime. Prime your face is really necessary because while doing priming, all the pores that are on your face, uneven part, the primer will set your face and your makeup, your base will look even and clean. So I have this primer from Huda Beauty. Yeah, those who don't have primer, you can use aloe vera gel. It is the best primer. I'm gonna use this only as a primer. This is natural and this will not harm your skin. So take a little amount of primer. After moisturizing your skin, you can just apply the aloe vera gel on your face, your eyes, your ears, even your neck. Yes. So let it just semi-dry. Just let it semi-dry on your skin. You can rub. Yes. So it is dried, semi-dry. The fourth step is to color correct. Now what the color correction means? The color correction means to hide your pigmentation, your dark circles, your underline lines. This is known as color correction. There are many what we can say color correctors like yellow, orange, green, purple, peach, according to your skin tone. I have this color correction palette. It is also known as the contour palette. So I have this. In this contour palette, I have colors which can be used for color correction, but already I don't think so I need to color correct, but I'll little do on my under eyes to show you guys. If you have what we can say dark circles, use an orange color corrector according to your skin type. I'll make a separate video on how to color correct properly. I'll show you the products, I'll suggest you the products. Now I'm just telling you the procedure step by step, what we can do, what we have to do step by step. So I'm taking this yellow corrector and just putting under my eye. Corrector should be done before base. So yeah, I have some marks here also. So I'll take this blue corrector and I'll just, here also I have some marks. That's it. So the fourth step is to correct. Now I'm taking my beauty blender, damp beauty blender, and I'm just gonna blend this. After applying your base, all things are gonna be hidden. Nothing would be visible on your face. Correct. Now the fifth step is to apply a base. Now, to select a proper base, what is a base? Base is a foundation or a cream that you apply on your face to give an even tone to your face. So take your foundation. You can take it on your hand only. I have taken some. I guess this much is more than enough. So just take your I'm so sorry. Just take your foundation. You can just apply with your hand only. If you want, you can apply this with brush also. Just blend it. Only dab it. Don't drag it. Now, the sixth step is to conceal or contour. Now, what do you mean by conceal and contour? Conceal means, now after applying a base, your total face will look alike. Means your face will not have any shape or any defined lines, nothing. So we do contour and conceal to give our face a volume, a structure. So now I'll show you first how to conceal and then I'll show you how to contour. So for concealing, take your concealer. I have this liquid concealer. You can conceal. So I'm mixing my this foundation with my concealer. I have this concealer brush. Just I'm mixing this with brush. Apply your concealer basically in your under eyes. You can make a V like this. So these are the areas we need to conceal. Concealing means highlighting. The areas on which the light is highlighting, and these are the dark areas which will give your face a volume. So I'll just show you. Take your beauty blender and blend it. The next step is to contour. Means conceal and contour both are the same step. But yeah, there are two types of contours. This is a cream contour and this is a powdered contour. So I'll make a separate video to show the difference between the cream contour and the powdered contour. So I'm using my cream. In this you get shades of your skin type, of your skin color. I'll make a separate video on this. The contour should be 3 layers darker to your skin. Now take the same brush which has the contour. Your nose should be contoured. This is just a complete video and I'll make the separate videos on contouring and different things. Yes. Just blend it. After contouring and after concealing, your face will look different. Your face will give you a shade of light and dark. Now, the 7th step is to set with a powder. Most of the people have really oily skin on which the foundation flows down. So the 7th step is to set your makeup with powder. So setting your makeup with powder, it is also known as baking. Not the food type baking, the different type baking which is used to set your makeup. So for setting your makeup, first take your loose powder. Take your loose powder on your hand, or you can take your compact also, anything which you have, which is available. Take your beauty blender, take some powder and just look down, don't look up, and just set. I know after doing this makeup you guys will look funny, but believe me, this is magic. This will just set your makeup for the whole day. Yes, for the whole day. Now we have to keep this at least for 1 to 2 minutes. Till then I'll do my eyebrows. It is optional. Today I'm just gonna tell you the for the base, and in next video I'm gonna show you the eye section. So my setting powder is set and I've done my eyes. So just take your fluffy brush and just remove it. Now you can see the difference. Now our next step is my favorite. It's blush. So I'll tell you the simplest thing to apply a brush. If you don't have any brush palette, don't worry. It is okay if you don't have brush palette, but you all have a lipstick, right? So we'll do our blush today with a lipstick only. I'll show you. So take your any lipstick. If you want your cheeks to be pink, take a pink lipstick. If you want orange, you can take orange lipstick. I have this lipstick from Urban Color. It is Sun-Kissed Pink. And I am just taking my beauty blender. I'll apply this lipstick here on the base area. Yes. And just dab it around your cheek. Smile. Yeah, so now we are set. Now the last step of base makeup is setting your base makeup with a setting spray. A last step, that is a 9th step, that is to set your makeup finally with the mist. A mist means a makeup fixer. So I have this makeup fixer from Huda Beauty. So just take it away, hold your hairs back, close your lips, close your eyes, and just spray. And let it just dry. Yeah, if you want it to be fixed, take your beauty blender and just tap slowly on your face. The makeup mist will set on your face. Yes. That's it. And your makeup will last. Believe me, whole day this makeup will last long. Yes. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, then please like, share and comment, and do subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and simple videos like this. Till then, be safe, stay happy, and that's the big thing. Bye bye. I love you guys.